Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bratz Cameron is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after fashion dolls in the collector's market, known for its unique style and detailed accessories that have captivated fans for years, making it a standout piece for any serious doll enthusiast looking to add a touch of retro cool and undeniable charisma to their collection. Number 5. Alwayz Bratz Cloe Fashion Doll. Introducing the Alwayz Bratz Cloe Fashion Doll, a must-have for any fashion enthusiast. This doll brings creativity and style right to your fingertips. Chloe's fashion sense is as dynamic as her personality. Her style can shift from casual cool to dramatic flair in an instant, reflecting her ever-changing moods. She truly rocks denim from head to toe, showcasing a trendy denim jacket, a stylish two-tone skirt, and matching leg warmers. Bold platform heels complete her iconic look. Complete her look with a variety of accessories, including a denim scrunchie, gold hoops, and a pearl chain. She also comes with extra fun items like hair clips, sunglasses, and a purse. Unbox a special surprise with each doll, an exclusive poster to add to your collection. It's the perfect way to capture her unique vibe. She arrives in gorgeous, metallic packaging, instantly recognizable in the classic Bratz trapezoid shape. It's a collector's dream. Don't miss out on the fun. Catch the animated series, Alwayz Bratz, now streaming on TikTok. Join Chloe and her friends on their exciting adventures. What we like? This doll offers endless styling possibilities with her ever-changing fashion sense. She comes with a plethora of accessories to match any mood or occasion. If you love customizing looks and enjoy a wide range of play options, you should consider this one. What people say. The handle on the box was a surprise for me. It's very stylish and convenient. Chloe is in a chic look, lots of accessories, but nothing superfluous. It's great. The quality is great, the print is even, the clothes look like real ones. Chloe possesses lush, long and incredibly soft hair. The red lips and her blue denim outfit are simply perfect. The pearly white shoes and sunglasses are a plus. Her articulated arms are a real plus that was sorely missing from the early models of the 2000s. Number 4. Bratz Original Fashion Doll Dylan. Get ready to relive the magic. This is a special re-release of the very first Bratz Boys Dylan doll from 2002. He's back to bring all the style and fun you remember. He arrives in a stunning, special edition holographic package. It perfectly showcases his unique personal style, just like the original. This fashion doll comes with 2 amazing outfits, offering endless possibilities for mixing and matching. His friends even call him the Fox because he's so slick. He's fully accessorized and ready to go. You'll find fashions, 2 pairs of shoes, sunglasses, a necklace, a hat, and a comb. As a special bonus, he also includes a poster to complete the ultimate Bratz collection. It's everything you need for hours of stylish play. What we like? This is a faithful recreation of a beloved classic doll, perfect for collectors and nostalgic fans. It includes 2 distinct outfits for varied play. If you're looking to relive the early 2000s Bratz era or appreciate unique packaging, this is the one for you. What people say. Cameron is a great addition to the Bratz collection, with his signature style and accessories. The doll is well made and durable, perfect for play and display. He comes with a variety of trendy outfits and cool accessories, allowing for endless fashion possibilities. Number 3. ColourPop x Bratz Lippie Kit, Chloe. Get ready to pucker up with the iconic Chloe Lippie Kit. This collaboration brings you the perfect shades for a bold and beautiful look. Experience the magic of ColourPop and Bratz coming together. This limited edition kit is a must-have for any fan. Achieve that signature Bratz doll pout with these specially curated lipsticks. They offer vibrant color and a smooth finish. Don't miss out on adding this exclusive Chloe edition to your collection. It's the ultimate accessory for any makeup lover. Unleash your inner fashion icon with this stunning Lippie kit. It's designed to make you feel fierce and fabulous. What we like? This makeup kit is inspired by the iconic Bratz character, Chloe. It offers a curated selection of lip products for a signature look. If you're a fan of Chloe and love experimenting with makeup, this collaboration is a must-have. What people say. Cameron has a really cool outfit. Cameron comes with a lot of accessories. Number 2. Bratz Original 4 Group Shot Logo T-shirt. Introducing the iconic Bratz Original 4 Group Shot Logo T-shirt. This classic design celebrates the original squad with a bold graphic. Relive the Y2K era with this nostalgic piece. It's perfect for fans who love the original Bratz aesthetic. Featuring a high-quality print of the original 4, this shirt is made to last. The graphic stays vibrant wash after wash. Designed for everyday wear, it offers a comfortable fit for all-day comfort. You'll love how soft and breathable it feels. This t-shirt is the ultimate way to show your love for the original Bratz. Wear it proudly and let your style speak for itself. What we like? Show off your love for the original Bratz crew with this stylish t-shirt. It features a classic group shot that any fan will recognize. If you're looking for comfortable, casual wear that celebrates the Bratz legacy, this tee is a great choice. What people say. Cameron is a stylish boy doll with a trendy outfit. He comes with cool accessories like a skateboard and a backpack. The doll is well made and has articulated joints for posing. Number 1. Bratz Rock Angelz Group Shot T-shirt. Unleash your inner rock star with this iconic Bratz Rock Angelz t-shirt. It's the perfect way to show off your love for the ultimate fashion dolls. Featuring a vibrant group shot of the Rock Angelz, this tee captures the essence of their fierce style. Get ready to turn heads wherever you go. Crafted for comfort and designed for style, this t-shirt is a must-have for any Bratz fan. Wear it out or lounge in it, you'll always look fabulous. Celebrate the Bratz Rock Angelz with this unique graphic tee. It's an essential addition to your collection and a great way to express your fandom. Step into the spotlight with the Bratz Rock Angelz. This t-shirt lets you join the crew and embrace the world of fashion, music, and friendship. What we like? Embrace your inner rock star with this t-shirt inspired by the Bratz Rock Angelz. The bold graphic captures the edgy vibe of the series. If you're drawn to a more rebellious and musical aesthetic, this shirt is perfect for you. What people say. Cameron has a great style and comes with cool accessories. The doll is well made and durable, perfect for play. His outfit is fashionable and detailed, reflecting current trends. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.